At UPM Raflatac, we are labeling a smarter future. Wrapped around your favorite brands, our products tell stories that help shape everyday life. To make progress and provide better choices, we are taking a leading role in sustainable labeling, but not through a one-dimensional point of view, rather a 360 approach to sustainable packaging solutions in everything we do, from responsible sourcing to manufacturing, services, and design. As part of UPM, we are committed to our vision of creating new, renewable materials beyond fossils. To optimize our global operations and minimize negative environmental impact, we are guided by 3 words: reduce, recycle, and renew. We embrace the circular economy and have signed the Global Plastic Pact Commitment led by the Ellen MacArthur Foundation. And we are innovating for sustainable packaging solutions that help our partners go beyond their own targets and ambitions. In the world of packaging, labels matter. And by being a front-runner company in sustainable labeling, we aim to drive our industry into a smarter future. Welcome to join us on our journey.